Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tonight is a night out with a food truck. I'm in Leybourne Village, the UK. Temperature -1 now. Here I have some product here. It's my jerk marinade. There's some hot sauce, some jerk sauce. Here you have the curry powder, some jerk season rub. Getting a bit dark now.